So tell me about how Matter kind of works with the Resideo ecosystem.
Yeah, so Matter is an emerging standard now that's going to be to enable standard communications from device to device. So the Resideo ecosystem will still exist today in its current form, and Matter will just be another communications protocol that will enable devices to get into the Resideo ecosystem.
So would it be easier to get a commercial off-the-shelf device and integrate it with the Resideo system if a customer wanted to?
Yeah, well, easier. So there'll still be commissioning mechanisms for both, right? There'll be one for the ecosystem, and then over time, the Matter has its own commissioning setup, and then that'll be one used for Matter and then one used for ours. And then as the Matter devices begin to proliferate, those will be the ones that then continue to get connected in the ecosystem. So it's going to be a transition, right? It's not going to be we're going to throw the baby out with the bathwater. We're still going to have our own stuff, still sell our stuff, and then add in the Matter stuff as it becomes available. And we're committed to making Matter part of our offerings.
Does it differ at all from Z-Wave or Zigbee, or is it just kind of an addition?
Well, I mean, the big difference is that the whole industry is behind it, right? The big players are behind it, right? So, not to say that Zigbee and Z-Wave weren't, it's just that now you've got the really big players that are really endorsing this, and it seems like there's a lot of the other device manufacturers that are getting behind it. So that will now make it, I don't want to say the one, but it'll be one that over time should become the more dominant communication standard over time. But that doesn't mean Z-Wave goes away. Doesn't mean Zigbee goes away. Those are going to be bridged into Matter, and there's a lot of bridging to Matter, so that again the apps you use can be the same apps. What's underneath, whether it's proprietary Zigbee, Z-Wave, or Matter, that's all a matter of bridging.
Thanks.
Geez, that's easy.